Hey guys, so today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to recover your banned account on PlayStation Network. So whether you got banned or you lost the account for reasons such as you lost the password, I don't really care, but I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So open it up, and as you can see, it says access is banned, permanently suspended. So press OK, and as you can see, it literally just recovers your account only in this app, which I'm going to show you how to download today without a computer. So as you can see, it just asked me for my email address. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. And then we should get verified, and we should be on the way to getting ourselves some nice unverified access to the PlayStation Network. So I put in my email address, and it's linking my account, and it found the account. And as you can see, it's basically unbanning me from the network or recovering my account, whatever. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this as well. No computer needed. So as you can see, guys, it is working. I'm going to press continue, and bang, guys, I'm unbanned. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go to matrixmods.com. So on this website is going to be a number of modded apps, which are pretty cool. But today we're going to do the PSN unban video, obviously. So press on this app, and then as you can see, it says enjoy a clean ad-free experience. So we're going to press download, and there we go. That's how to download it. Now I do want to let you know there is one more step. It's at the end. What it is a verification. So basically you have to download two different apps from the App Store, 100% free, and this will install the PSN unbanning tool into your phone. So as you can see, it says almost there. Additional files are required for the unban tool. Okay. So what you have to do basically is download these apps, which are part of the unban tool. Download. So as you can see, we got like Family Island. It says reach level 11, so I could do that. It's a game. I could do the Node Casino, Travel Town. It doesn't matter, but make sure you do two of them, guys, because then your account will get unbanned with the download of the app. You will, of course, have to open it and put in your email address connected with the account, but after that, should be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.